dance party.
Hi. Hello. Welcome to my mom's kitchen. Today we are baking a cake because I felt like it. This is my cookbook. I have my cake's recipe on the first page. I want my kids to fight over this cookbook one day just because they will enjoy fighting for a cookbook. I like to bake a cake where no eggs are used for the fact that my mother does not like when we use eggs. Also because I'm on a refraining non-veg diet for I think it's been over a year now. I just realized I did not sift all-purpose flour. Contrary to the popular belief that cakes are very hard to bake, I actually think that cakes are the easiest things to learn if you're getting into cooking because it's just throwing in a bunch of stuff, mixing it all together, and then putting it to bake. That's just my opinion though. Let's taste the batter. I don't hate it. This is how the cake looks. Vanilla is not one of my favorite flavors, but it's fun to decorate upon. It's also going to be my first time decorating a cake with whipped cream, etc. So it's going to be fun. I do not know where to place you, but the cake is out.
हटा हम काट दे
नहीं मैं काटूंगी.
लेट कर रही हो ये क्यों नहीं काट दी
अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. काटो. तुम जैसा बोलो. प्लेट
मिक्स एंड मंगवा